size kidogo tuzinosha, hazina haja.
Bora wamefika hii.
Bora hivi tutosha. Haya.
Ningekuwa inaenda station nyingine ndio ungeamua.
Haya.
You have things to cater for our patients. I see you're very well prepared.
Yes. This will be the year. Congratulations. So now it's one for COVID.
This is a moving ICU. So even in general ICU we need covering an extra bed and bring this up. Thank you very much.
We have Aga Khan, we have Pandya, we have Mombasa Hospital, we have Premier Hospital, we have Jocham Hospital, we have Bomu and other partners. Now, this facility is for mild to moderate care. And then, you have seen we have launched 4 ICU ambulances out here, for the purpose that if you need to transfer a patient to a more severe care facility, such as the ICU facilities that we have at Coast General, then we can comfortably do so. The beauty about this partnership is that we've also agreed on a structured, shared human resource plan, in that we'll have doctors from Aga Khan, from Mombasa Hospital, from all the other hospitals, Pandi and what have you, contributing their personnel to this facility. Why we want to do this is that so that Mombasa we have dedicated workforce and a plan that can be able to help us fight COVID-19. They have the muda wao, lakini hata doctors wakimaliza a number of days, they go on quarantine. Sivyo? Now, my worry is we're going to start mass testing. Tumeanza. You've already seen the results of KPA. Worrying. And we are not even reached 300. I think we tested 75 and then 150. 600 now. Some of the results have not come. They'll come probably this evening. KPA has over 5,000 staffs. KPA kuna wafanyakazi 5,000. 7,000. KPA has 7,000 staff. We have tested 600, over which we received results of about 300. Out of 300, how many are positive? How many? 23. 23 out of about 300. Almost 10%. And these people live in our villages. They mingle amongst us. They work at KPA and go back home. So this city today, or this county, is at what they call community transmission.